So here we are again, one of Peugeot's finest. Taking out all the injectors, chuffing the leads off, looking blacker down there than we passed. So yeah, we give it all a good clean out now. New plastic inserts, spacers in, new copper washers, tightened down, it's all to spec. Yeah, see how she runs. Rock cover as well was all melted due to also the heat coming out. So put a new one on, brand new gasket as well, new rock cover, put it all back together, see how she runs. If she runs, that is, we'll see.